Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install MySQL in your Windows operating system, and also you will gonna know how to set up MySQL server and also how to set up your MySQL workbench. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go to our favorite browser. I chose Google Chrome and we will gonna search for MySQL and then click enter. And after that, here you will get a second option called MySQL Installer 8.0.37. So it's an update form, so that's why we will click on it. And after that, we will come over MySQL Installer 8.037 interface over here. So here you need to select the version. We are selecting the update version, and then we are selecting our operating system. We are now using Microsoft Windows, so that's why I'm choosing Microsoft Windows. If you have another operating system, then you can click over operating other system. So click on Microsoft Windows, and here you will get the option called Web Community and Community. So if you're clicking on Community, you will be downloaded all packages that needed for your all over project. So we will going to do for the basic items. So in this video, we will looking for to create server and set up workbench. So for that, I'm downloading this. But if you are doing and installing for your project, then you should need to download this. For making it in a short time, I will clicking on 2.1 MB. So here you will get the option called login and sign up. So we will click on no thanks, just start my download. And here you can see the download is started, also finished. So for that, we will click on it 2 times for installations. And here you will get installation web community permission. Click on yes. Minimize this. Got a permission called MySQL installation launcher. Click on yes. And after that, here you can see the installations is getting started. So here you can see we are in MySQL installer interface, and they're choosing a system. And here is an option called choosing a system type. So we will go to for custom that's needed and click on next. And after that, you need to select the server. For that, you need to click on this plus button, also MySQL server 8.0. And if you want to choose the latest one, you can select the latest one and click on this right mouse button, right arrow button. And here you can see they are selected to install. After that, click on this negative sign. So now click on this applications plus icon and then click on MySQL Workbench plus icon. And then select the MySQL Workbench 8.0 and select the MySQL Workbench 8.0.36 and click on your right mouse button, right arrow button. And after that, click. So now here you can see we are in path conflicts. So we selected our path. If you want to change your path, then you can, but I'm leaving it as a random, and then click on next. So after that, here you can see the MySQL server 8.0.37 is ready to install, ready to download. Also MySQL Workbench is ready to download. For that, for downloading them, you need to click on execute. And here you can see the downloading is started right now. So it will take some minutes. Maybe it depends on your Wi-Fi speed. So I'll fast forward the video. So here you can see we downloaded MySQL server and MySQL Workbench, and now we will click on next. And after that, they are ready to install. So for installing them, we need to click on execute. Click on execute and they will be installed step by step. So wait for a couple of seconds. Here you can see the installation is completed. Now we'll click on next. And after that, now we will configure the MySQL server. For that, click on next. And after that, here you need to set up the server. For that, leave it as development computer and select the TCP. The port will be the same. And you just need to do nothing here. Just click on next and use strong password encrypted for authentication. Select that. They are recommended. So click on next. So after that, you need to select MySQL root password. For that, you need to create a password. Creating a password, And after, you need to repeat the password that you created. And then you need to click on next. Don't worry about the weak strength. And then you leave it as it is. You can also uncheck start the MySQL server the system startup, but I recommended to change this start the MySQL server system startup because took a lot of space in ROM. So don't be worried, just take it. It will be better for your using. So click on next and another time next, and after that click on execute. And by this, here you can see that the configuration is applying right now. So it will take some more minutes, so keep your patience. So here you can see the apply configuration is completed right now. Just click on finish. And then here you can see the configuration is completed and click on next. And after that, here is installation completed and click on finish. And the server is created right now. So now the workbench will appear in our screen. So here you can see the Microsoft Workbench is opened in our Windows operating system. So here you can see the local server is created. If you click on one of them, and they will now write the password that you created and click on OK. And here you can see. So now we are in MySQL Workbench and we are selected the local server, and so now we can run any command in our MySQL Workbench, and we can run any command whatever we want. If we write show data bases and click on this, and here you can see that all the databases is showing in our MySQL Workbench. So this is how you can set up your MySQL Workbench. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.